Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this Prius. This is 2019, but I'm sure they're similar. And you want to know how to reset the clock. Let's say if the time changed and you want to reset it, what you want to do is either start the car or just you're gonna have to have it on, or either way. And then once you have the car started or the screen is on right here, what you want to do is use these buttons right here. When you click on it, left, right, when you go on left, right, the screen moves. When you scroll left, right, and when you're gonna keep scrolling right and you get to a clock right here, what you want to do is press this button. Once you press it, this highlights, and then you can move arrows left, right, like for minutes there. And if you go left, it's for hours, and you go up and down and use these up, down. And that's how you change it. And then if you have to change minutes, same thing. And once you're done with it, it says right there, go back, press back, and then you move back here. And this is the back button. For example, if you go back here and you press on it, and then you have to go, if you want to change 12 hours or you want to change to 24, like military clock, this is, you have it on here. Here you should go left, up, up, and then same here. And then once you're done, you just go back with this. And once it's back, and then you press arrow left or wherever you want to be. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And if you have any questions, comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.